With Škoda's smart parking assistance, getting into any spot can be easy for everyone. Intelligent Park Assist will not only help you find the right space, but it will also automatically park your car for you. What do you need to do? Just sit back and watch the parking process. Now, no space is too difficult to get into. Super simple, stress-free, every time. Plus, it can even parallel park itself. Tired of doing the same maneuver again and again to park in the same spot? Trained Park Assist will make your life a whole lot easier. Just show your car precisely how you park in a particular space, whether it's at home, at the office, or anywhere else. Then, simply save it to your car's memory as one of your favorite spots. You can select and save up to 5 favorite locations. And the next time you arrive at one of your saved parking spots, your car will automatically offer to park itself. Just give it permission to take over. Once again, all you have to do is sit back, relax, and watch as your car glides in. Your car will remember the way you park, but also keep track of its surroundings in case anything's changed. We wish you a pleasant drive in your new Škoda.